The Supreme Court on Friday issued notices to the central government as well as 4 states, including Maharashtra, West Bengal, Puducherry and Delhi, hearing a PIL seeking to scrap Section 66A of the IT Act. The Supreme Court was hearing the PIL filed by Shreya Singhal, a student, after people were arrested for violating the IT Act for posting comments critical of political leaders or events on the social networking site Facebook. The Supreme Court directed the Maharashtra government to explain the circumstances under which the 2 girls were arrested for posting comments on Facebook. The bench asked the state government to file its response within 4 weeks. The bench also made as parties the governments of West Bengal and Puducherry, where similar incidents took place in the recent past. It also issued notice to the Delhi government along with the other states and sought their response within 4 weeks and posted the matter for hearing after 6 weeks.
You have to believe that the laws will be properly enforced, and I think that the proposal of the telecommunication minister, Mr. Sibal, requiring the permission of a senior officer like the Inspector General of Police or the Deputy Commissioner of Police is sufficient safeguard against misuse and abuse.
The petitioner Shreya Singhal was elated with the Supreme Court's response.
The reason why I moved to Supreme Court and not a lower court was because that I think that it affects everyone, and that there should be no jurisdiction on this judgment or any order that may be passed subsequently. Because it's such a fundamental right.
Now, the government may have issued guidelines in this particular case, but some big questions still remain. Firstly, are these guidelines themselves not open to misinterpretation? Also, who will watch over the IPS officers in question? The third question also, why doesn't the government make the amendments in the law itself and remove any ambiguity that exists? And lastly, the biggest question, is this in fact a red herring to counter civil society's protests over the Section 66A of the IT Act?
Every law in India is prone to misuse, and so Section 66A is. The best course possible in this case is that Section 66A should be made non-cognizable, so no policeman shall have the authority to arrest a person unless a court applies its mind in it. Sumit Nagpal.